Hello guys!
Hi guys! And finally, we got to the Trullo.
To this Trullo for at least 6 months.
Just kept on going and going. And
so finally we're here.
And this is the place where we're staying.
And it's even more beautiful than what it seems.
Because as you know, pictures don't really explain what you can see with these guys. We found this lovely place in Puglia.
It's very close to Ostuni.
2 kilometers to Ostuni.
Yeah.
I'm just guessing. This is the lovely Ieke. She's the daughter of Apulian.
Ciao people.
Ciao ciao. She's amazing anyway. Himalaya guys, have you ever done it? Oh no, she has done it, by the way, just saying. And she's gonna be showing us around.
So here you enter the entrance. And we have a lot of olive trees, almond trees, figs, so you can eat everything straight from the land.
You see guys, where do you get this?
Puglia.
Oh, she said.
I'm not a local,
Yeah.
but my mom found a place here and my mom and dad, and they just loved it. So they bought the house, and now since 2 years we are renting 3 accommodations out on AirBnB.
Which we're gonna show you, by the way.
Yeah, and since this year we have a brand new pool, which we're also gonna show you.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this is
Look,
it, guys.
Wow. Are they fixed? No.
Yeah, definitely. Last year they were
Really big ones.
you can just take them from the tree and eat them.
Ooh.
My mom
Is that a
cooks a lot
bat?
with that.
A bat? Oh, what's that?
No, it's like an old fig.
Just because I'm
Super
terrified.
exciting story, but it's not.
Oh no.
So November will be olive season, and then we're gonna make olive oil out of it.
You see guys, so they make their own olive oil.
Yes.
Wonderful. Sì.
Sì.
Perfetto.
Sì.
Parla anche l'italiano. Poco.
Poco.
And this is the, let's say, the core of the area, right? Isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Oh
Definitely.
wow. It's just so bright. The colors is just, I don't know. It almost looks like it's fake.
It's typical for Puglia.
Oh yeah.
White color, and I mean, you told me just a cool story.
Oh yeah. We were saying that Puglia
Yeah.
has been carved out of this stone hill. So basically they took off all the white stone and then used that stone to build the city.
The city, il centro storico.
Yeah.
That's what we learned yesterday.
Yeah.
And this is it. The Trullo.
That's our plan for this week.
Yoo-hoo! That one down there. And I guess that is where Ieke is staying, right?
Yeah, this is the house where my parents live, and I'm living there at the moment because my mom is for a week in the Netherlands.
Ooh, she's having a nice
Taking it
time.
over at the moment.
Yeah. So it's all on you.
Almonds drying.
Oh.
Yeah, we dry them, and then if you open it, you have almonds. I can show you actually.
Yeah. This is a tutorial how to open an almond. Ieke breaks it
Oh, I'm too
Takes it,
enthusiastic, but
and
eat it.
that's it.
Yeah.
Easy as that. Ooh.
Yeah, this is our, maybe I would say, best spot, especially when you look from
Oh,
there.
from there. So we're gonna have a view from there.
Yeah.
All right. Look at the view you've got from there. Hi, Flo. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Hey, bye.
Oh,
Yeah, she said
last
that.
night it was full moon and they were like super excited.
Wow. We've got the Trullo there, as we were saying before. And we've got another building, which is that one.
We call it the guest house. It's a lamia.
Okay.
It's like family of the Trullo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Wow. And they've got their own also
Yeah, they have their like
soft area.
and a bathroom, and
Amazing.
4
Ooh.
people can sleep in there.
Ah, another relaxing area. Look at that. Honey's back.
Blondie.
And she's back too.
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine?
So tell us a secret. Have you slept here already?
I haven't, but this is a good spot to watch stars when there are no clouds.
Wow.
So
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine.
Inside?
Won't you rub your fingers
So she basically me inside. Wow. This is it from the inside. So this is
So this is a proper original Trullo. You have the bedroom here. You have
Yeah.
a lounge area over there.
Where
As you can see,
Alex has
put
dumped all his.
his stuff. I love their taste. Everything is really, really lovely and a bit rustic. It's a bit rustic and modern and traditional and renovated. It's beautiful.
It looks like we've got it. So we will be obviously adding up the description of the place we stayed on Airbnb below. Thanking you very much. Silvia, grazie anche a te.
I hope it gave a good impression of the area.
Oh, yeah.
Do you think so?
Otherwise, you can check out the website also.
Yes.
She's into this already.
Yeah.
She's like, we didn't prepare-
www.trullo, how do you say that?
Agnelli?
Dash agnello.com.
Okay, I was already on Agnello. She's into it. Thank you very much. And I will catch you later.
Yeah, definitely.
Bye bye.
He's not White Walker. I was not recording, no. I'm joking, it's fine. We're recording. Ciao. Bye bye.